This tutorial shows students how to check their grades inside of Canvas. Click into the course that you want to check. You'll see that the grades are over here. The number 1 means there is at least one newly graded or newly updated assignment. Click into Grades. It's set to show me quarter 1 right now, but I can drop down this menu and change that. I also see that I can arrange this column right here either by due date or by module or assignment group. Some teachers organize things by module, and it's a good idea to look at the grades through that view. The blue dot right here means that this is the most recently graded assignment. I'm going to change the way that I am arranging these assignments. Press Apply. And now the assignments will come in that order. The scores are in this column right here. This is where the total is for the class, and you can also see that up here. But let's look at a couple of the features. So one thing that is important to realize is that if there is an icon like this over here, this means that there was a rubric for this class, and you can see that the teacher graded the assignment using the rubric, so the student knows exactly which parts of the assignment they got points for and which they did not. They're also able to click on any score and see what if I got 10 points out of 10 points in this missing assignments. That would change my grade dramatically. This what if feature is pretty cool. You can enter it for assignments that you haven't turned in yet, and you can do it for assignments that you wish you could redo. It's very clear that this is a what if score, and right there for your parents to know that it is not your official score. This icon right here means that there was a comment by a teacher there. Click on your comment to view what you were told. The last thing I want to show is that right now this is calculating my score based on all of the graded work. It's not taking into account this assignment right here that I haven't done yet. That means the due date for this assignment hasn't yet come. If I uncheck this box, it shows me what my score is if this assignment remains a 0. It changes the total right there. You can revert back to your actual score by clicking that button. Now I know what my score is in this class, including this musical theater presentation that hasn't come yet. And if I don't want that calculated in, all I need to do is click this button again. And I can see what my score is based on graded work only.